Hello and welcome back to another video. This is another social media extravaganza, obviously by Reddit. So here is the post. Now first, I will show you the smart method or the way sane people do it. Then the tough one.
Okay, so first I'm going to the easier method which I'm going to be using the chain rule. So how will I do that? Well, this thing I can write as d sine x square with respect to d x square and into d x square with respect to x. So and this thing is cos x square, cause over here x square is the variable, not x, which technically does mean that x is the variable, but we're not differentiating with respect to x. So just get it. And different and 2x for x square, it is 2x. So this thing is equal to 2x cos square x. Ooh, now for the tough one. Okay, so the tough one is using the general principle of a derivative. So what is the general principle of a derivative? A derivative is a slope. So dy by dx is basically limit as delta x tends to 0 of delta y by delta x. Okay, so now over here we have y is equal to sine of x square. So we can write dy by dx is equal to limit as h tends to 0 where h is delta x. So that's basically going to be, let's say y is equal to f of x. So f of x plus delta x minus f of, this is h over h, which is delta x. So that gives limit as h tends to 0 of sine of this thing square, which is x square plus 2hx plus h square minus sine of x square divided by h. Okay, now I'm going to use one formula which most of you might not must know. It's a pretty important formula. Sine alpha minus sine beta is equal to 2 alpha minus beta by 2 and cos plus beta by 2. Oops. Okay, so let's put this formula in this with alpha as this and this as beta. So that gives dy by dx as limit as h tends to 0 to sine of 2hx plus h square by 2 and okay. So well, we can take this 2 out. And if you see h square, like, well, if h is less, then it's very 1, h is almost 0, right? So h square will basically be 0, like it's completely negligible in comparison to h or x. H square is like, it's completely negligible, so we can take h square to be equal to 0, right? So now we get that as limit as h tends to 0. Yeah, we can make this 0 and this 2 and 2 cancel out, so that gives hx into cos, same over here, this thing is 0, so x square plus hx divided by h. And now everyone remembers the iconic limit sine x by x, where x tends to 0 is equal to 1. So put x here, multiply x here. So these two turn out to be 1. And now if you see that this is not an indeterminate form, so you can directly put the value of h as equal to 0 and get the answer, because x, it does not depend on h, and cos is a continuous function and the numerator is 1. So we can directly put in h is equal to 0, and that gives us 2x cos x square, which we have seen by chain rule and the same method. Thank you all for watching, and please like, share and comment on my video, and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel.